Imagine this. The sun isn't up yet, but the trash trucks are already there. One by one, they go into a bucket. The air feels heavy. The smell is strong, a mix of sweet, sour, and burnt. From far away, the landfill looks like a hill, but when we get closer, we see the truth. This is not soil, not grass, it's a plastic bag blowing in the wind. Old food turning black, broken chair, old clothes, wet carpet from the rain. This is where all trust goes. Every morning, trust from house, school, restaurant, market, hospital, and factories come here. All mixed together. All of it was once useful. All of it was once new. Now, it just stay here.
Yes, it really safe, and of course it's safe. It's very very safe. Yes, when you enter, you will be surveyed by the guard at the front. So it is definitely very very safe. It's fine. The water quality here, it's very fine. Yes, it probably drinkable, but I haven't tried it. Water is always delivered here from multiple water company or PDAM. Maybe if anyone wants to try, they can try it. And for me myself, I haven't tried it yet. Very safe to drink and to use for anything.
The landfill is not the beginning of the story, it is the end. The story starts in our homes. When we open a snack and throw the wrapper, when we buy food and throw away the box, when we clean the fridge and throw away our vegetables. Some trash come from nature, such as rice, fruit, leaves, and food. This can break down, but in a landfill, they are covered by plastic and don't get enough air. So they make methane that goes into the sky and makes climate change worse. Other trash lasts a very long time. Plastic bottles, snack wrappers, shampoo bottles, glass jars, and metal cans. One plastic bag can stay for hundreds of years. There is also dangerous trash, such as old batteries, expired medicine, cleaning chemicals, and electronic waste. If we throw them carelessly, they can poison the soil and water. In a landfill, everything is together.
Before something becomes trash, it comes from nature. Plastic comes from air underground. Aluminium comes from rock in the air. Paper comes from trees. Electronic need rare metals from mountains. Water is used to make them. Energy is used to save them. Fuel is used to send them to store. We use them for a short time. Then they come here.
The process begins at TPS. The waste is transported by truck to the landfill. When it arrives, the truck is weighted first to measure the amount of waste. Yes, most of the waste has already been sorted. In each neighborhood, there are waste banks where residents separate recyclable materials from other waste at home. After that, the waste is brought to the temporary collection point before finally being transported here to the landfill. Organic waste at landfills and converted into fertilizer. Recyclable materials such as plastic bottles and other valuable items are collected and sold again through the main waste bank. These materials are separated and distributed to recycling collectors so they can be reused. To reduce bad smell, the waste is regularly covered with layers of soil. In addition, the liquid water is processed into liquid fertilizer. The methane gas produced by decomposing waste is also captured and used an alternative fuel source, similar to cooking gas. Yes, the leached water flows through small drained channels into a treatment pond. From there, it undergoes a treatment process before being safely managed. Some of it can even be converted into liquid fertilizer after proper processing. We regularly monitor water quality by using special monitoring wells around the landfill site. These ensure that the surrounding soil and groundwater remain uncontaminated. The methane gas is not released freely, it is collected and used as an alternative energy source, functioning similarly to LPG gas for cooking purposes. The landfill staff are responsible for operating the waste disposal system, including weighing incoming trucks, directing waste to the correct zone, to maintaining environmental safety. In addition, scavengers are allowed to collect recyclable materials that still have economic value, which they can sell through collectors or waste bank. This cooperation helps reduce the amount of waste in the landfill while also supporting the local community income. The biggest challenge is plastic waste. Plastic takes a very long time to decompose naturally, and it is also difficult to recycle completely. This makes plastic one of the most serious problems in waste management. Plastic waste is very difficult to decompose naturally, especially thin plastic bags. It takes a very long time to break down, and many plastic items cannot be sold anymore because they no longer have recycling value. Schools and communities that separate waste at home or at schools can sell their recyclable waste directly to the waste bank here. Many schools in Mojokerto already have waste banks, and the staff will collect the waste when it is ready.
Inside the landfill, the trash changes. Food roots makes gas and heat. Dirty liquid comes out from the trash. This is called leach. It can pollute rivers and groundwater. Sometimes fires happen because metallic gas build up. The air smells very bad. People who live nearby can feel the impact. Some people work there as waste pickers. Every day they look for plastic, metal, and some cardboard to sell. They help recycling even if people don't see them. A landfill, so how we live.
We like things that are fast and easy. Packaging is easy. Disable things save time. So we use things, then throw them away. Use, finish, and throw away. But nature doesn't work like that. In nature, everything goes back to the cycle. Nothing is waste. We are different. We take from nature, use it quickly, and beauty the rest. So the trash hill keep growing. But we can change this. From landfill, turn methane into energy. Food waste can become compost. Plastic, glass, and metal can be recycled. Factories can trade their waste. And at home, we can separate our trash. Change start with small action. Buy less, reuse things, choose product with less plastic, and separate organic and non-organic waste. Every trash item has a story. Where it come from and how long it will stay. The landfill is not just about trash. It's a mirror of our habits. The real question is, how much do we want to change before the trash become too big? Because trash never really disappears.